Hello. In this video, I will be reviewing the Market V indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. As its name suggests, this indicator shows us the market direction by using buying pressure and selling pressure. At first, we have the dark blue dots, which indicate the difference between the close and open of the candle for a period that we specify in the input. It takes the total difference between the close and open and plots these
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading
points at that value. When these points have positive values, it means that the sum of the candle closes minus opens over the period we specify in the input is positive, which indicates that the trend is mostly upward. When these points are in the negative areas, it indicates a downward trend. Next, we have two lines, one green and one pink. The green line represents the times when the candles are bullish, meaning their close is higher than their open. Over a certain period, it calculates the sum of this difference for the bullish candles, and this line shows the total of that difference. Similarly, for bearish candles, over the period specified in the input, it considers the sum of this difference, which is represented by the pink line. Additionally, moving averages are applied to these lines as well. The red moving average is for the pink line, and the green moving average is for the green line. There is also the difference between these lines and their respective moving averages. For example, for these two lines, we have the blue histograms, and for the other two lines, we have the yellow histograms. The more numerous and upward pointing the blue histograms are, and the more positive their values, the more it indicates that the overall market trend is bullish. And the more numerous and positive the yellow histograms are, these histograms indicate that the market is in a bearish trend. Let's go over the settings of these indicators together. The first option in the settings is the calculation period for these dark blue points, which calculates the difference between the open and close for a certain period, and here we can specify that period. We can also specify the same period here for the green line, which was for bullish candles, and for the pink line, which was for bearish candles, and we can also set the period for the moving averages here. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.